Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me. Hope you enjoy. Starting off with moisturizer, I've been enjoying this Acne Control moisturizer from Clean and Clear. All products that I use throughout the video will be posted at the end. And now I'm taking this Covergirl Outlast foundation with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. I usually use about 1.5 pumps. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Master Conceal and placing that under my eyes and on my eyelids. I do have deep set eyes, so I like to brighten this area as much as possible. Next, I'm just taking some bronzer that I got at the Dollar Tree. It works pretty well actually. And I'm just bronzing up my face a little bit. I don't always set my foundation with powder, but if I do, I'll just do my T-zone where I get a little oily. I'm taking this Milani blush in Luminoso just to add some color to my cheeks. Then using a big fluffy brush, I just blend that in. And now I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows using this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. And next I'm going to highlight my cheekbones using this Ulta highlighter. This has a nice golden peach glow to it. So here there's a glitch in the recording, and if you stay tuned till the end you will see in the bloopers. What wasn't captured was that I used a L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow and a Rimmel black eyeliner, and now I'm using the L'Oreal Carbon Black mascara. For lips, I'm using this Maybelline liquid lipstick while my mascara sets. Then I'll go back and do a second coat of mascara. And here is the finished makeup look. Moving on to hair, I blow dry my hair upside down and then flip my hair back over and blow dry my bangs straight down. And then I clip half my hair up and begin to straighten my bangs downward. Then I separate them and part them how I want to wear them. I apply a little bit of this Got To Be heat protectant. Then I just comb through my hair to distribute the product. I start on one side towards the back, smooth out the section, then take my straightener and flip it upside down, clamp my hair, give it a twist, and pull downward. I do not take the straightener all the way down, I leave the ends out, just so it doesn't look so curly. I am left-handed, so when I work on my right side like this, I do flip the straightener upside down. I do my left side differently, which you will see here in a minute. So when I finish one side, I just give it a little spritz with some hairspray. I'm using Suave. Again, taking another section and smoothing it out. And for some reason, this piece was giving me a hard time. I let my top section down and then I section it off into a few areas and give each section a light tease just to add volume. Doing this before curling helps save the curl so you don't comb out any of the curls. I also tease the side sections as well. Then I will take a brush and smooth the area down without combing through the tease section. From here, I just finish curling the rest of my hair, and I usually always start with the back and work forward. Then I let them cool for just a few seconds. Then I will lightly comb through them with my fingers to separate them. And here I noticed I missed a piece. On this particular day, I wanted to add a headband. And then I just touch up my bangs a little bit and give them a final spritz. And here is the completed look. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for the bloopers. So here is where I thought I paused the video because the UPS guy showed up at our house. I go running downstairs, and when I come back, when I think I press record, I push stop. And this is me wondering, when did it stop recording? What just happened? Thank you so much for watching. Here are the products that I used. See you in the next one. Bye guys.